If you asked me to teach math all day, I'd be thrilled. Science, let's do it. Language arts, that might be a little bit harder for me. I wasn't great at it in school. I'm still not the best speller. And when I first started homeschooling, I remember thinking, how am I supposed to teach something that I really don't feel confident in? So when I tell you I found a curriculum that almost taught me while I was teaching my kids, that's a pretty big deal coming from me. Hey friends, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling mom of 6 and I've been doing this for over 12 years. Today I want to share why we use Christian Light Education language art, why it's the one CLE subject we've consistently stayed with, and why I recommend it so often to homeschooling moms who feel overwhelmed by language arts, especially. If that's you, I hope this takes some sort of the guesswork out of choosing a curriculum. That's my hope with this video, because there are so many options out there that it can just be so hard to figure out what's the best for your family. Here's what I needed. I needed a curriculum that didn't expect me to already know everything. I don't know every grammar term. I'm not naturally confident teaching spelling. I couldn't just sit down and wing a language arts curriculum or piece together a language arts lesson. I needed something that gave me confidence while I was learning right alongside my kids. And that's exactly what CLE has done. Everything is together: grammar, spelling, handwriting, phonics, punctuation. So I'm not trying to piece together 5 different programs hoping I haven't forgotten something important. One of my favorite things is how predictable the lessons are. I know what we're covering and my kids know what's expected. There's plenty of review built in, so that way we don't forget old things that we haven't learned in a while. I never find myself wondering, wait, did we ever cover punctuation, or should I already be teaching this or that? It's already mapped out for me, and as a homeschooling mom of 6, that gave me so much confidence because I know I'm not missing something. We started with level 1, so moving into level 2 felt completely natural. There wasn't a huge learning curve. We just picked up where we left off. But CLE does such a good job at review that you can start anywhere. And the review that's built in also takes into account what was taught in previous levels. Now, I also want to be honest. We don't use CLE for every subject anymore. We actually used to use their math and I loved it. It's by far one of my favorite maths that we've ever done because I think it's the strongest math program out there. I think it's thorough. I think the review is excellent. I really do believe in that curriculum, but my kids aren't naturally math minded like me. They needed something that they could touch, move, and visualize before the concepts really clicked for them. So we switched them to a more hands-on math. Honestly though, that was really hard for me because I like CLE so much and CLE math so much, and I realized that they weren't going to be missing anything with that math. So reading was a little bit different. We started off with learning to read when they were in 1st grade and kindergarten, and CLE gave my kids such a solid reading foundation that when we transitioned into all about reading, they moved through it so quickly. It was pretty much just review for them. Now we're starting all about reading level 4, and after that, I'm honestly not sure if we'll go back to a formal reading curriculum or if we'll simply just spend a season just enjoying really good books, maybe doing like a Sunlight readers type of thing. We're just gonna have to wait and see because I'm not sure. But through all of those changes, language art has stayed. That has been the constant throughout. So what that looks like in our home, language arts takes up about 30 minutes. So if you've homeschooled for any length of time, you know 30 minutes for a subject like language arts is actually really good. My best friend's daughters come over, so I teach all of them all together, and they absolutely love that time. They love sitting at the little desk. They love when I get up and write on the board. They love getting to do quote unquote school together. And one of my favorite parts is watching their little faces when something finally clicks, when they understand a grammar concept or when they get the answer right after working through it and they're so proud of themselves. Those moments make teaching them so much fun for me and brings me so much joy. Another thing that's important to me is teaching my kids to become more independent learners. Once I've taught the lesson, they're able to work through much of the review on their own. That's something I really value because I'm not trying to create kids who always need me sitting beside them every minute. And CLE does such an excellent job at fostering that independence. Now, here's something I don't think gets talked about enough when it comes to Christian light education. Right now, my kids are struggling with the way CLE teaches spelling. So we're using a separate spelling curriculum next year. And the nice thing is, I don't have to throw the baby out with the bathwater. Like, I don't have to throw out the entire language arts program just because one piece isn't working. Everything is organized into separate sections. So I can just skip the spelling portion and keep everything else and keep moving on with the rest of the language arts. The same would be true if I wanted to do a different handwriting curriculum or a different phonics curriculum. That flexibility has been incredibly helpful for me. For example, my current 6-year-old is doing level 2 of language arts because she's always been a little bit more advanced when it comes to everything. But when it came to the handwriting aspects of things while we were doing level 1, it was way too advanced for her fine motor skills at the time. She was about 4, turning 5 years old. And so I was able to skip the handwriting aspect of things while still moving on with everything else because of how sectioned off it is. If you're overwhelmed by all of the language arts options out there, I honestly think CLE is one of the best places to start. It's affordable, it's thorough, it's easy to teach, and of all the language arts curriculum that we've used, it's the one I've trusted the most. At the end of the day, I'm not looking for the perfect curriculum, because that does not exist. I'm looking for one that helps me teach my kids well without feeling like I have to become an expert first. For our family, that's been Christian light education. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I really do read them. And if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. My goal is to help Christian homeschool moms steward both their homes and their homeschools with confidence and peace. I'll see you in the next video.